Same man, we back with another video, y'all. So I'm already, a little blood and all that, you feel me, whatnot, you feel me. We had the exclusive Sky High smoke shop, man. This where you get all your goodies and everything you want, for real. So we about to just come in here and get a little Rello, for real. Ain't nothing, this the beginning of the video. I hope these niggas fuck with me in here, though. This ain't permission, this promotion. Yo, bro. It's like, no, this for my little YouTube channel. So y'all, we left the smoke shop to get some woods and we made it to the car wash. Let me tell y'all, bro, my car a little messy right now. Don't blame it on me, blame it on the depression, man. Look. My car a little junky right now, but it's alright though. You feel me? We about to get it right and spiffy in like 1, 2, 3. Just leave it open. Alright, man. So I had to roll up because damn. As soon as you did that, my camera failed, nigga. I had to roll up because you feel me. Josh be rolling his blunts too tight. I ain't gonna lie though. So we picked up the slap woods because I feel like this gonna be our first sponsor of the channel. First ever sponsor gonna be the slap woods. I'm feeling that heavy right now. I'm a sponsor the union. Hold on, let me see. Re-elect Matt Clemens. Matt Clementine. Re-elect this nigga. No. Y'all don't just hand people papers, bro. Y'all have rallies and protests about shit like that, bro. They just handed me a paper getting off work. He was probably part of the mafia, though. I ain't gonna lie, though. Tell me this not what you do at the car wash. You roll up and wash your car. You feel me? I just want to, thank everybody that's been watching, man. Happy Cinco de Mayo day. I asked the lady, a young lady today, what did Cinco de Mayo mean? She was like, it was the war between Mexico and France, and it's an American holiday. Like, what? It's not even a Mexican holiday. It's an American holiday. So like, so much. The American was probably allies with the French, and the Americans probably caused the war. So, that was your phone. So I'm about to finish up cleaning this car out. We just got to vacuum, because I'll tell y'all, the amount of ashes that's on this car floor, it's redundant. I got a video I'm about to post. It's an old overdue video, bro. But me and my mans I used to work with, we was smoking. And we made a little video. We about to roll up this wood and then we gonna roll up another wood. I feel like I need to face this wood, bro. What you think, Josh? I gotta face this bitch. If I face something, you gotta face something too, nigga. You feel me? It's a two-way street around this bitch. Alright. I get right back with y'all when I spark up. Yeah. I missed my turn. Fuck it. Hell yeah. Remember going to Full of Gospel? Y'all, we ain't on nothing. Yeah, I ain't driving, I'm floating. We flying. I'm not driving. Huh? Do what? Nigga, you know why we got kicked out, bro. Mario cussed out the pastor's wife, nigga. You feel me? That's why we got kicked out.
Oh, yeah.
On it for real, no lie. On it for real, no lie, though. What if that was mama right there? Like, goddamn it, we gonna see your ass every fucking where. But nah, y'all see that bitch. Hear him sliding cause the car loud. Damn, nigga just dropped the whole Bleeski, bro. Yeah. You see it? Y'all see this, huh? Y'all see that? Get the good chicken wing. Get the good chickens. Yeah. So this Mukbang. Y'all got the ranch. Cheers. Hold on. Touch that house. Damn, these boys hot. Gotta thug it out though, cause nigga hungry. And this, yeah, with the ranch though. I ain't had ranch on my wings in a minute. That's why I only got a little bit.
Ranch here too.
No, for real though, I ain't gonna lie. Hot. It's hot, but like, boy. This where it's at. Honey barbecue. I think I'm just blood. You feel me?
No, these bitches lame.
They like that?
Yeah.
They like that then. I should go in there and cut up. Oh! That hit the top of my mouth. It wasn't pleasant. Nah, but what you rate these though?
10.
Why you say 10?
I ain't never had honey barbecue this good. I had barbecue.
Not like this. This like some super sweet honey. And some super invisible barbecue sauce. Cause I cannot see the barbecue. It's like glaze. It's like they put some sugar on it now, though. You know what it is? Sweet and sour sauce. It's giving a little like sweet and sour sauce. I think the main food I eat on this channel is wings, bro. Like chicken.
What else you eat?
Soul food.
Other than them honey buns.
I don't get nothing from here. This all I know. The Logic got these for me one time. Is this blue cheese or is this barbecue?
Nah, that's ranch.
Ranch. You sure?
Yeah.
They ranch is liquidy, like it's not. I thought ranch supposed to be like a little thicker. You feel me? You gotta say damn something. I'm gonna bring Dan something. You feel me? I know he fuck with the wing. Damn, we do these bitches so crazy. They good as hell though. Juicy. Lots of meat, bro. You feel me? I'm talking about hella meat. Hella meat. Which one you prefer best, Josh? Flats or drums?
Flat.
Down here with me.
My bad if I'm smacking, but this stuff smacking. You feel me? You just get the inside of that hot wing, all that chicken. No napkins. None whatsoever. Not one in sight. Just me and this chicken wing. All my feelings are inside. I just dropped it on my white tee. Bitch, I'm about to burst like a... Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. I am so mad right now. This was my only white tee. I might lick up the grease, but I will never be beneath. I'm feeling this sauce like it's on me. Bitch, please. Everybody snap, snap. Snap, 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 snap. Snap, 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 snap. Oh, wait, I ain't had no sleep in like about 2 weeks. If you hear me, just know I'm about to preach. It's like, nah. You done? Nigga, look at his finger like he done though, for real.
No, I gotta get something to drink.
Daddy told me one time, bro, at the Purple Church, he was like, you lick your fingers once you eat barbecue. When you eat barbecue, you lick your fingers at the very end. I swear to God.
Alright.
Cause I used to lick my fingers after every bite. You did? I would put the rib down, lick on my finger, get all that sauce on my. In the comments, let us know if we eating the chicken wings right, bro. We might be doing it wrong. We might not be getting all the meat. Hold on, pause. But like, let us know. Everybody got their own unique way of eating chicken though. Bro, I'm sick about this white tea though. I'm so sick. Well, niggas ain't even park when they hopping out. Blink. How much left? 2, 4, 6 left. We'll leave down 4. Alright, Josh, so one more piece. So you better get you a good one, nigga. You might get that nigga too. You hear me? Nigga be sick, boy. No napkins. Bitch's head. Bada bong. Low key wanna buy some more, you feel me?
Them bitches was busting.
That was immaculate. And we don't get no more. Hey, we don't get no more. You want more? You want more? Oh, yeah. Nah. Oh, Dan got pizza at the crib, though. Huh? Dad, if you watching this nigga, my bad, boy. Hey, bro, this shit too good. They got them good pizzas at the crib too. Let's say beef too. Alright. You just thought you got something with the pizza, you feel me? If you want them though, you feel me? We're gonna ask him. If you don't want them, we can get them, alright? I'm about ready to go to sleep though.
Oh my goodness, we spent so much time.
Come on, we don't do no copyright. We was good about the whole video, you feel me? So out of this pizza and Wingstop, which one?
Wingstop.
Better? You right. I was gonna say that too. I was gonna say these because I just had them. Wingstop out here, they be seasoning they shit too much. You feel me? Like, you know they don't know what they doing. You feel me?
For real?
I swear to God. But I just recently got some lemon pepper hot wings, some hot lemon peppers. They was actually decent. Alright, man. Throw these out your though. This is what we do to a dirty white tee, man. You need to wipe your hands?
No.
Huh?
No. I'm gonna take the sweatshirt off though.
Take it off.
Let me throw this shit out.
Open the door.